Hi everyone, welcome to Algebra with Cola. So today we're going to talk about completing the square, which is super complicated, but let's try to make it as easy as possible. So step one, we want to be equal to a number before we complete the square. So I'm going to subtract the 4 over, so I'm no longer equal to 0, and I'm going to rewrite my polynomial. Step two, we want to add boxes to both sides. So think about it, you're adding a box, which is a square. So I'm adding the box at the end of both sides right here. Now to figure out what goes in the box, we're going to do b divided by 2 squared. B is what's attached to the x. So I'm going to do -6 divided by 2 squared in your calculator, and you're going to get 9. It has to go in both boxes, and also it's always going to be a positive number. That's a nice little rule of thumb. Next, we're going to rewrite without the boxes. So we're going to have x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 5. -4 plus 9 equals 5. Third, you're going to do the Cola trick. Okay, we're going to set it up like this always. Parentheses squared with an x equal to 5 or whatever number. To figure out what goes in the parentheses, we're going to do b divided by 2. So we're going to do -6 divided by 2, and this can be negative. In this case, it is. Now, we want to get x by itself, so we're going to do inverse operations. The square root of a square, they cross each other out. See what I did there? And that means we're going to drop everything on the left and be left with x minus 3. When we square root 5, you cannot forget the plus or minus, and then we want to get x by itself. That is not the square root of 8. Notice how I keep it separate, and that's how we would complete the square.